everybody gets to make it every day. So, you know, just live positively, be kind to each other. Why is the jealousy in the wild? Yeah, you know you gotta go and just get the vibe. You know gotta go and just spend the time. Hey, you gotta do the mind and know. Okay, this is my last warning.
And this is my last warning to you! No, God! Bring me back to Tito! What's good? What's good? What's your cups on, boy? Soldier! Soldier on, soldier on!
You just got here 5 days ago. You don't even
Everybody thinks you were asking.
You're good right there, sir.
You're the only one that thinks you don't
Welcome
harass
to Santa Monica, guy with the sign. You've only been here for 5 days. You don't know what it is.
Constitutional Bill of Rights! We the people have the power! You see how many witnesses you got right now that you're violating his constitutional rights? You are about to be strict on your back, sir. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna go with my brother.
Call your supervisor.
I want to know if this is an interstate commerce.
I have no phone. I have, brother. Hey, soldier. Soldier on, soldier on.
Before he came over here, we were having.
Okay.
Don't
Hold on. Fat. Fat.
Revved
As if I don't know the fucking disease.
Do you think you're the first person that I've ever told, hey, at the Santa Monica Pier, you have to be on that side if you're going to street perform? How many people do you think want to street perform right in this very location? Lots of people. They come from all over the world, and they want to have access when people are passing by, that they don't have to drop their money over there, that they get to drop it over here. All I'm explaining to you is time, place, and manner. That's why we put the fire zone access sign there, and you will be in compliance if you're on the other side. If you're not, then I have to write you the citation because you failed to want to take the warning. All I'm doing is giving you the warning. You can ask anybody around here. I'm a very fair person.
Did you know you violate? Did you know?
I can come over here, but then I'm gonna. If you're gonna bring me to do that, I'm going to have to cite you in writing and send you to traffic court because I'm trying to be nice about this situation.
What did we do? There's a whole bunch of people playing over here.
I know, over there. All you have to do is play over there. I don't want everybody to get you.
He's trying to get money. No.
I'm really getting quick. So you're saying that interstate commerce?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know your own.
I don't know what that means.
Stand up for your rights, homeboy. Stand up for your rights, homeboy. Stand up for your rights. They fucking. Hey,
What is interstate commerce?
Hey, bro. They fucking arrested me and my fucking husband on some bullshit. On some fucking bullshit.
Not here while I'm here.
Oh, hell no.
Stop being a traitor. You're a traitor.
You guys-
Did you know if you violate your oath that you
Y'all
can charge as a
violated
traitor?
rights.
It's
In all
treason.
reality, though.
High
In all
treason
reality.
in the United States of America.
This is my last warning.
And this is my last warning to you.
Do not relax and stop.
What's good?
interfering.
Put them cuffs on. What's good? Put them cuffs on. What's
whole
good?
bunch of people are
What's
gonna
good? What's good? Put them cuffs on, boy.
You can't do nothing for me because I'm vouching for my brother over here.
And I'm vouching for my brother.
You're gonna be arrested for interfering.
Right here. What's good? What? No, you ain't gonna tell me stuff. Junior, step to me. Where's them cuffs? Where's them cuffs? Cuff me. Cuff me. I have the right.
You do not have the right to do that.
Freedom of speech.
Away from me without the body motion.
You gotta step towards me.
I'm letting you know that you should stop your actions. I'm letting you know that it's not good.
Come on.
I'm letting you know to back away from me. So I'm letting you guys know I'm trying to deal with this at the least level, but you
Call
don't
your
want to.
supervisor. Call your supervisor.
No, it's not civil. So
Call your supervisor. What are you doing? Call your supervisor.
I'm not gonna let him incite you to getting a ticket. If you want, what's your question? I don't know what that means in the state of California. That doesn't mean anything. This time, place, it matters.
If you are in violation of your oath of your constitution,
Back up, sir. Back up.
Can I shake your hand?
what's good?
Because you inspire me. You really inspire me. Because I walked down there, I ended on like 6 water, and someone gave me like 7 bucks. Walking around there, I said, okay, I appreciate it. Hey, anybody need a free water bottle? Free water bottle.
I'll take a walk.
I can call the supervisor as I write you citation.
Okay, he does not have to sign that right to
That may be the case. That's immaterial to what I want to do right now. Are you going to pick up your stuff and move? Or do I have to go to the citation
From
route?
this moment forward, after the end of this conversation, is $1,500.
I don't know what that means. Do you want to make this?
The clock is on, and it is officially 1:54. So from every minute this moment forward, I'm charging $1,500 for initiating the contract.
Let me see your
I have no contract.
You have a driver's license.
I was there already.
So next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to handcuffs. And you're going to go to the team.
I asked to speak to the supervisor.
But that doesn't
about
happen. That doesn't happen before I deal with my business. I will deal with you once I identify
You're
you.
a public official, right? And you can't even tell me how the
I don't have to.
California.
I will explain it to you in the citation. That's
so you're cutting me off. You again.
He wants to be a
$1,500
supervisor.
Pick
every
the
month.
officer. Call your supervisor.
He wants to be the
$1,500
supervisor, man. Let him work.
Since 154.
Listen.
He thinks he's the supervisor. Let him work.
thinks he is,
Let him
right?
work.
No, because you refuse to call your supervisor, right? But I want to talk to a competent
But I need to identify.
public official.
That may be the case. We are competent.
Oh, no. You're not
At
going
the-
to violate
at
the Constitution.
At the end of the day.
Like we have to.
Listen,
like,
no,
we have to establish
stop.
a constitution
Stop.
for a perfect union.
Stop.
You stop violating his
Stop.
rights.
Right now, a perfect union is
You will stop.
to stop forming a perfect union.
I don't know what that means.
It's in the
So let me see your ID.
He don't know his oath.
Then you're gonna have to stand up and you're gonna have to
Okay.
provide the identification, or I'm not have to identify you by detained.
So you're threatening to detain me for getting in the public here.
No, I'm threatening to detain you because you're in violation of the fire.
And you are in violation of his constitutional right, the right to assemble peacefully in a public place.
Car not in violation of the fire code? Or what? Is your car in violation of the fire code? Is it not in violation of the fire code? How many things are you violating right now?
I'm giving you a statement.
It's called hypocrisy. Maybe you do the right thing and people will respect you.
And you will
Mutual respect. But you're violating the code right now. Your car not the crosswalk. That's in violation of the fire code.
Here again, I'm gonna have to cite you. Don't let people like him incite you to be doing something bad. Because we were good before he came out.
Fuck that liberal bullshit.
Just deprive me of life privileges.
You see a gun on me, I'm a rabbi.
And I just
What's
wanted to
good?
ask.
What about the California fire code? You don't care about the fire code.
Why are you scared? Are you not trained?
Hey, don't harass him. He's just doing his job, man. Why are you guys blocking the fire? Like, you guys that's not violating the fire code on there? You guys can do whatever you want. Not even have any lights or anything. But he's blocking the fire.
I tried to. This guy.
No. You want to talk to me about
Oh, what's
You
good?
want to talk to me about private matters. You want to talk to me about
You stop being a scared ass.
You want to talk to me
You
about
get your stuff, sir.
This is
You don't want to get your stuff, then whatever.
What's good?
Anybody need free water? You need free water?
Oh, no. God, no. Oh. I'm first amendment.
I'm water, I got bottles.
Move over here and get on me under duress. You are a public servant.
Everybody, come on, sir.
Acquiesce to adhesion contract. That's all that is.
Acting is easy, bro.
He's scared and he's armed and real peaceful. He's scared of my God. Ben, you better be scared of
you
you.
because you're
You better be scared of God. Allah, no way. In his violation of constitutional right, you're violating. You don't want to stand on their side or on God's side? Okay, my brother's constitution. You guys want water? Is water? Is that okay? Are you constitutional? Okay, get on this side.
That's what being violated right now. That was more contradiction. Yeah, water in report for 15 years.
Oh!
My brother. Hey, brother.
Oh! In the fact that y'all allowed him to violate his rights, and then he close up to the bed. 39 bed. Bet.
But if I shoot somebody, like he was over there before, oh yeah, I don't know if you've ever shot a drone.
Bet. Let me contact my commander and shoot. Did you know if you violate your oath in the United States of America, you can be charged with high treason and be hung, publicly put to death as a traitor of the United States of America? Did you know that?
That is in the Constitution. I read it, I was like, dang. Wow. Like, why ain't they put mighty to death? Wow. That is literally in the Constitution.
Oh!
Stop fucking up.
Oh! What's good? What's good? And there's no reason you should be violating my brother's constitutional rights. After you,
His rights were not
an officer's oath is what? In California, to uphold, defend, and protect the Constitution of the United States. The California Constitution, and to uphold and defend the California law.
You guys aren't gonna do anything, are you? Have a bond. You speak of things that are not termed.
Supremacy law of the land. Article 6, Clause 2, Constitutional Bill of Rights. We the people have the power. They are public servants.
Now you have to move the items and finish the process. Because I'm trying to be done with this situation. And I've had it. You can, but you have
If
to
you
be
pay
over there.
public taxes, this is what your taxes are paid for.
Okay, well that's right, but you cannot be
You
here.
made me uncomfortable. I don't want to be right here no more.
Okay, let's go.
That's why I'm filing a claim.
Okay, I got that. We should be done. Hey,
Even if these guys are crazy, nobody was thinking anything until you guys showed up.
And if I wanted to,
okay, so you leave your stuff here.
bro, why did you create a problem?
You guys
You created a problem by violating my constitutional right.
And what right is that?
The right to assemble peacefully.
Not in a fire zone.
Stop living.
Not in a fire zone.
Interstate commerce.
Don't take money, y'all need.
Bro, we will take that up with a judge.
Oh! I'm ready to die. Send me back to deals. Send me back. I'll fight with that because I fear him and only him.
Explain in detail what my complaint is going to be about.
Oh!
Hey, bro.
Who complained? Explain it in detail.
Hey, bro.
Actually, I think bro wanted to hear me play some music.
Oh, I got the might of Samson. Get ready to come. 50 strong. 50!
Oh, shit. Hey, bro.
Ain't nothing impossible for me and my God.
Bro. Hey, you come out to me.
I did.
Where was you? Yeah.
Hey, get a one foot.
don't harass people. I advise them about
You're the only one that thinks you don't harass people. Everybody else thinks you harass people.
You just got here 5 days ago. You don't even know
Everybody
what you're
thinks you
talking
harass
about.
people.
You're good
buddy.
right there, sir.
You're the only one that thinks you don't
Welcome
harass
to Santa Monica, guy with the sign. You've only been here for 5 days. You don't know what I do.
people. Well, everybody else seems to. Is that not true? Everybody else seems to.
And if you stand there, you're gonna have the same problem.
I'm walking
I was
around,
talking
buddy.
about. Well, you can't be on
The
this bridge
sign
area.
is not even for crossing.
Well, you need to be at the crosswalk, not in the middle of the bridge area.
I'm waiting for it. I don't want. You know,
If you want to play that game with me, I would advise you not to. I would advise you to walk to the crosswalk and make your presence known that you're going to cross. If you're standing there, you're going to be in violation of the fire code.
Oh, it crossed.
You, angry man, have a good day.
Hey, not only that, but I'm here at the DOJ, CRC, CCRD, the Civil Rights Division. Bet, let's get it! Let's get it!